Apple has been hiding a massive secret right in your living room. For years, the Apple TV looked like a simple, harmless streaming box. You probably used it just to watch Netflix and completely ignored it. But massive new leaks prove that this was all a giant setup. Apple is preparing to completely blindside the entire tech industry in 2026. They are transforming this basic plastic square into the most dangerous device they have ever built. It will crush expensive gaming consoles. It will make current smart home hubs completely useless. It will put a dedicated artificial intelligence server directly into your house. This is a complete takeover of your living space, and the competition has absolutely no idea what is coming. Stop scrolling and pay close attention. This information completely changes how you will upgrade your home forever. The biggest clue comes from the actual brain of this new machine. The highly trusted US-based website Mac Rumors just dropped a massive report. They confirmed Apple is completely abandoning older, slower chips for the television. Instead, they are directly transplanting the incredibly powerful A17 Pro chip. This is the exact same processor found in their most expensive flagship phones. They are putting it right into the 2026 Apple TV. This is an absolute game changer. Famous tech leaker Shrimp Apple Pro took to X under the handle at Vinchoco Taco to reveal even more. He confirmed Apple is violently pushing into the high-end gaming market. They are doing this by doubling the device memory to 8 GB of RAM. They want you playing massive titles like Resident Evil natively on your TV. You will not need to buy a PlayStation or an Xbox anymore. Over in Europe, major French technology site Le Figaro Tech backed up these extreme hardware claims. They reported on the performance translated into English. This reveals that the 3-nanometer architecture radically reduces energy consumption. At the exact same time, it triples the raw graphics performance. This brings true console-level gaming directly to your living room. It includes hardware ray tracing for incredible, realistic lighting effects. It runs completely silent with zero fan noise. It has extreme energy efficiency, so it will not spike your power bill. It comes with 128 GB of base storage for all your games and apps. It delivers the maximum graphical output your television can handle. But dominating the gaming space is just step one of this aggressive master plan. Apple wants to completely control everything you touch in your house. The respected international site XDA developers uncovered a massive clue about this. They found that Apple quietly killed off older iPads from acting as home hubs. This was not an accident. This was done entirely to force users onto the new 2026 Apple TV ecosystem. Top insider Apple Track posted on X about this exact strategy. They said this upcoming device is being built as the mandatory ultra-fast brain for your whole house. Highly respected German tech publication Online reported heavily on this plan. They published information about Matter, translated to English. This confirms the focus lies entirely on the deep integration of Thread and Matter. This means your new Apple TV will instantly connect to everything. It will control any smart lock, camera, or light bulb. It does not matter what brand you bought from the store. This makes it the ultimate home hub. It offers instant device pairing, so you do not have to struggle with confusing setups. You get cross-platform control for every gadget in the house. You get a universal Thread router built right inside the box. It provides a total security lock to keep your home data private. You get zero lag automation, so your lights turn on the second you walk into a room. You can monitor your smart cameras instantly without any annoying loading screens. The real magic bringing all this hardware together is artificial intelligence. The UK-based site Pocket Lint revealed a huge secret about the release date. They said the entire launch was heavily delayed to 2026 for one specific reason. Apple needed extra time to perfect a massive Siri AI overhaul for the big screen. The most famous Apple leaker in the world, Mark Gurman, posted on X about this. Under the handle at Mark Gurman, he confirmed this exact timeline. He noted that the heavy delays are finally ending. Apple is getting ready to showcase full Apple intelligence directly in the living room. Because the A17 Pro chip is so powerful, everything changes. All of your voice requests and AI tasks will be processed instantly. They will be processed completely on the device itself, not in the cloud. Your TV will understand complex natural questions about the movies you are watching. You can ask it to find that one movie with the guy from that other show, and it will know. It will generate highly specific recommendations. These will be based purely on your current mood and watching habits. You will never have to mindlessly scroll through menus ever again. This kind of immense power requires an incredibly fast and stable internet connection. International site TechRadar leaked a huge detail about this problem. They said Apple is developing a brand new custom wireless chip to handle the data. It is called the N1 chip, and it is made specifically for this device. Code sleuth Aaron Paris proved this on X under the handle at AaronP613. He dug deep into Apple's secret beta code. He found unreleased identifiers named Apple TV 14.1 and 14.5. This absolute proof shows Apple is heavily testing multiple network speed tiers right now. You will get lightning-fast downloads for those massive video games. The device will be fully Wi-Fi 7 ready for the future. It will have Bluetooth 5.3 support for your wireless controllers and headphones. You will get perfect uncompressed 4K streaming. There will be absolutely zero network buffering when you watch live sports. They might even include a gigabit Ethernet tier for perfect, unbreakable stability. So, how much will this massive Trojan Horse cost you? This is exactly where Apple plans to destroy Amazon and Roku forever. Legendary supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo posted a major leak on X. Under his handle, he firmly stated a bold new strategy for the company. He said the next generation Apple TV requires a lower starting price. They need this low price to achieve total market dominance. He predicted a massive, aggressive push into the market. He stated a price tag under $100 would completely flip the industry upside down. Even if the base model launches at $129, it is insane. The sheer value is completely ridiculous. Think about what you are actually buying. You are getting an A17 Pro chip. You are getting a gaming console. You are getting a smart home brain. You are getting a dedicated AI server. You get all of this technology for the price of a cheap dinner. Apple is playing a brilliant game of chess right now. They are about to put the entire living room market into checkmate. You absolutely need to wait for this release before you buy anything else. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that. Drop a comment below and give your best opinion about this product because I want to know if you are buying one on launch.